Hello everyone, myself Bhumit from College Dunya. Today I am at Sky Blue Institute of Design, Ahmedabad. Today we are having with Mr. Kasif Abbasi sir. He is a Vice President in Sky Blue Institute of Design. Hello sir, welcome to our education portal College Dunya.
Hello, welcome to Sky Blue.
So start with the questionnaire session sir. My first question is, you have held key positions at Education Institute throughout your professional career. So what are the key factors that keep you connected with education sector?
Well, I'm fortunate enough to work with almost all good brands in India. I've seen that there is a change in education sector. Like earlier, students used to go for management programs, then they wanted to go for engineering programs and other programs, and now students are now shifting towards design industry. So it is a very good experience that I have been connected with all these rows, and I have been offered all these programs. Now I am with Sky Blue Institute of Design, where we are offering courses and preparing students for top design colleges like NID, NFT and other top design colleges in India and abroad. So I am glad that I am connected with this industry and able to contribute something to the students into their career.
Very nicely explained, sir. So coming to the next question, how do you strategize about the key programs and plans for marketing and administration of your institute?
Well, in education, the best marketing strategy is to deliver your program at the best in quality. We have the best faculties and the best of the environment over here for students. They are very well connected with the faculties and our student support staff. So we are actually need not to go for a lot of marketing strategies, we need not to go a lot of efforts. We just need to inform them and keep them updated about the activities and courses happening at the institute. Other than this, I find that most of the students are coming with a ex-student reference, which is an achievement for us. So we actually need not to do a lot of marketing as our other competitors do, but we need to just focus upon the quality delivery of our product.
Very nicely explained, sir. So on that note, my next question is, how does the curriculum of Sky Blue Institute of Design ensure the best practice of industry?
Proud upon this because we are having the one of the best academic system with us. Our faculties has done a lot of research and they have practiced it over the students, and over the period of time they've evolved with a fantastic curriculum. We have developed almost 80 to 100 modules for each program that we offer, and students actually enjoyed the material that we have developed is very intellectual, where the students can actually do study, learn, and even they can do the practice into the same thing. Assignments are given, structured assignments are given, and this is the strength that we have. Another important thing about our curriculum is we are teaching one-to-one. We are not teaching into batches. So when we are teaching it one-to-one, every student is directly connected with the faculty and the student support staff. We know that we have a software that we are using for our academic delivery, where we know each and every student how much he has studied, how much he has done the assignments, how much he has earned out of the assignments, like how much marks he has achieved from the assignment, what are the remarks he has got for the particular assignment. So we and the parents know at every moment of time where they are, right? And that is making a very beautiful curriculum, and that is helping thousands of students to get successful admissions and to their various different preferred colleges, as well as they are getting jobs into the market for the professional courses.
Very nicely explained about your college curriculum, sir. So coming to the next question, any insights into how your institute is welcoming to the students?
As I said, that our strength is teaching one-to-one. So our students are very well connected with the faculties because they are getting education one-to-one attention they are getting. They are also very well connected with our student service officers and counselor, Ms. Pallavi. She is actually in connect with all the parents, all the students, and she is available all 24/7. So any kind of doubts the student have, anytime the student want an extra class, anytime they want any additional support from the institute, they want any kind of if they are not able to come and they want an additional backup for their classes. They can directly connect with our team, and they are very well support them to solve their all queries. It is an environment like a homely environment, so students actually feel it like they are at home and they are very excited to come. Nowadays it is a lockdown period, so even students are very much willing to come back soon. We keep on getting calls that how soon we can start the classes. So as soon as we'll get the permission from government, we'll start the classes. But students are very well excited and they are very well connected.
Very nicely explained, sir. So jumping to the last question, what do you think your roles and responsibility to the institute and the students are?
Well, as I said, that this institute is already an established institute. It has a very good faculty team, well aware and a welcoming marketing team we have, counselors team we have, the student support team we have. So my responsibility majorly is to keep all of these gems into a thread and keep this team intact, and keep an environment where students can come and learn as per their requirement and feel happy, feel homely at this institution.
Very well said, sir. So, sir, thank you so much for giving such informative information about your institute, sir. Thank you, sir, for being a part of College Dunya. Thank you.
Thank you very much.